Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today with a 2019 Mazda BT-50 stock number 6383. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.